guys, here's how you can do a gacha with
Hey, screw you.
this with the GU recorder. All you have to do is make a character and go to skip maker. So you can put any background, but right here you shouldn't have far. You should put normal for all of them. So copy, 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 copy. And all of them have the stuff. So which you're gonna press left right here, and you can put anything. You can change the pose, the face.
Oh Lord. Frick, my armor's broken again. Oh no, my armor's broken again. I just repaired it. Give me all that. Don't invite him, he left.
And that's how you do it. Start skit, and then you just have to press on it. Hello, hey, I'm Kathy.
Oh wow, look who this is doing.
Hey, I'm Kathy, and I'm
That's
cool,
a wrap.
and then it just ends.
Subway
So
wrap.
yeah, that's how you can do it.